Hello viewers, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today's recipe is really healthy for you and it's super tasty. So it's the crispy chicken strips, crispy cashew nuts and salad. I really don't want to waste your time, so let's just get on with the recipe. First of all, I'm just going to get all my choppings done. So I've got one medium carrot. You can chop the vegetables whichever way you prefer. I want it to look colourful, so I've got half yellow pepper and half red pepper. I'm also going to chop some cucumber and I'm just using half. You can also check out my other recipes. I will leave one of the link at the top right hand corner. Anyways, let's also chop some spring onions and my choppings are done. Now keep all this aside and I will show you what's the next step. So here I've got 500 grams of chicken thighs and I'm going to cut them in small strips. Now give it a good wash. I washed it about 4 times and make sure that you get rid of the excess water. The chicken is ready, so let's add some ingredients in here. 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and 1 egg. Combine everything really well and then keep it aside. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe. Anyways, the final thing that I need to prepare is the sauce mixture. So in a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 5 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, and finally 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now give it a quick mix and keep it aside. Everything is prepared now, so I'm gonna start cooking soon. Here I also have 300 grams of cashew nuts and I'm gonna fry them to make it more crispy. In a preheated frying pan, add some oil. First, I will lightly saute the chopped carrot for about a minute. The reason I'm doing this first is because carrots are quite hard, so I'm gonna cook from outside very lightly and I'll still make sure that it's crunchy and I will not overcook it. Now let's add the chopped peppers and saute for another 1 minute. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper just to bring some flavors. Now keep stirring, but make sure that you don't cook the vegetables for too long. You want it to be crunchy still. Anyways, this is done now, so let's keep it aside and move on to the next step. So I'm using the same frying pan and I'm just going to give it a quick wipe with some tissues. In here, make sure you add enough oil to fry the cashew and the chicken. Let's fry the cashew first on the very lowest flame and wait till it turns golden brown. Make sure that you stir constantly so it doesn't get burnt, and also it's going to be perfect golden brown from all around it. So it's been about a few minutes and this is the exact color that I wanted, so I'm going to take it out from the oil and keep it aside. You can place it on a tissue paper to make sure that you're getting rid of all the excess oil. And also spread it around evenly to make sure all the air is going in, so it's going to be nice and crispy. Now I'm going to add all the chicken pieces in here one at a time and wait till they turn golden brown. By the way, if you're new to my channel, then please make sure that you subscribe. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe. It's been a few minutes, so let's turn them over. As you can see that it started to get the color that I want, but I'm not happy with it yet because I want perfect golden brown. I've been frying for another few minutes and this chicken piece has perfectly cooked and it has got the perfect color that I want. So let's take this one out from the oil and fry the rest. My recipes are really simple to try at home and I always try my best to keep the video short as possible, so I'm not wasting your time. Anyways, all the chicken pieces are perfectly fried, so let's take them out from the oil as well and keep it aside. These chicken pieces are so crispy and it's so tasty, you can even have them just like that. So I've got everything prepared now. Salad is ready, cashew nuts and the chicken. Now let's move on to the final step. I'm using the same pan and in here I'm just going to add the mixed sauce that I prepared earlier. Now mix this and bring it to warm. It should only take about a few seconds. This step is really easy. All I have to do is everything that I prepared, I'm going to mix it with this sauce. So let's add the carrots and the peppers first, and then chopped spring onions. Next, add all the chicken strips. I did mention that these chicken strips are so crispy. Here's the evidence. Now I will add the crispy cashew nuts that I fried earlier. Combine everything together and in the end add the chopped cucumber and it will be done. So that's it for today. This was another simple recipe for you. It is really tasty and is so healthy. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below what you think. I really appreciate your time, and if you are new to my channel, then please make sure that you subscribe. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe. Anyways, I'm gonna disappear now and enjoy this tasty chicken cashew nut salad with my family, and I will see you in my next video, so take care till then.